Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can submit a bug or how you can join the community of the Firefly. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to account, and after going to the account, we have to open the option like this. So as you can see, I've opened the option like the text to image. So we have to go to that option, and it has an option for this message icon. So we have to click on the message icon. As you can see, the first option is submit an idea. If you want to submit an idea, you can also do that. You have to click on this option. If you want to report a bug, you can also do that. If you want to rate the Firefly images, you can also do that. If you want to join the Firefly community, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, you need to provide few details, and after that, you'll be able to join the Firefly community. So as you can see, it's loading. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So in this way, you can do that. As you can see now, these all things are provided here. You have to click on the post to community, whatever you want. You can do these all things here. And if you want to submit an idea, you have to click on this option, and you will be able to get the options accordingly. So I'm going to cut this one and cut this one. So in this way, you can use this option. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can use these options and what's their function. So see you guys in the next video.